Hello everybody. So let's unbox or let's open my parcels or my orders online, which is I prepare for this because this is an OOTD, and that is because I have an important appointment, and some of my orders is not yet delivered. So ito na muna yung i-unbox natin. Ako nang abili Lip Therapy by Chris. And this is the magnetic lashes. Ayoko nang pumunta ng salon para magpa-lashes kasi ang sakit sa mata, yung glue. Ano ba to? Dalawa lang ito. A face skirt. So this is my skirt. Wow, a V-shape. A skirt. So nice. Ang ganda nito pa. Ang kikay. Oh, Iski ang quality. Balag mahal basta. This is the last one. And excited na ako. Kasi wala nang iba. Is my new boots. Yeah, super ganda niya. Naghihintay pa ako ng ibang orders. It should be na sabay-sabay, but I can't wait. Okay, so bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Hi everybody, it's me again. So I received some of my orders just lately lang, and tatlo pa lang sila dumating today. And yes, I can't wait na makita sila in actual. So let's open it or let's unbox it. Actually, it's a white bag. Oh, yes, ang ganda niya. Yes. Excited akong gamitin ito kasi nga this is the machine or a diffuser, and this is the perfume. So the scent of this is Shangri-La. So pampabango ng kwarto. This is the last one. So finally, so actually this is my jewelry organizer. Hello everybody, it's me again. So for today's video, I'm gonna taste this which is chocolates from abroad, which is given from my batch. Siman po siya, and shout out po sa iyo, and thank you so much po, Sir Christian. At the same time also, I'm gonna open my orders online, which is this is my new sandal. So gusto ko kasi na komportable. Guys, para sa akin yung black talaga, ang classy niya tignan, 'di ba? Ang classic ng design, as you can Dolciando. This is the Dolciando chocolates. So it's Arancia. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly. Mm, For me, it's 8 over 10. This is my sandal. Pangalawang sandal ko. It's black. Alam niyo po ba yung criss-cross na sandals, yung hanggang tuhod, almost tuhod na yung ano niya, yung tali. Ganon siya kaganda. And yes, it's a fashionable na sandals din. This is actually a Milka, an Oreo flavor. OMG. It's so yummy. Okay, so this is it. Let's try. Yung Oreo, syempre nasa loob siya. And it's perfect, and it's for me it's 10 over 10. Thank you so much for this.